Smart Syllabus Second Year Statics Chapter number 10 Normal Distribution Page number 1 to 4 Standard Normal Random Variable page 4 to 5 Use of Standard Normal Table for any normal distribution page number 11 Classwork example number 10.2 example number 10.3 example number 10.5 example number 10.7 example number 10.12 example number 10.15 exercise 10.1 question number 3 second part and 5 part question number 3 B part first part question number 4 A part second and third question number 4 B 1 2 4 part question number 4 C 1 part question number 5 A 1 part 4 part question number 5 B 1 part question number 6 A 1 part exercise 10.2 question number first A question number 5 A question number 6 1 question number 11 homework example number 10.4 10.10 10.17 exercise 10.1 question number 3 first part third part 4 part 6 part question number 3B second part question number 4A 1 part 4 part 5 part and 6 part question number 4B third 5 6 7 8 part question number 4C second part question number 5A second part and third part question number 5B second part question number 6A second part exercise 10.2 question number first B C part question number 2 B part question number 3 C D part question number 4 A part question number 5 A second third part question number 6 A second third part question number 6 B question number 7 A question number 8 question number 10 A question number 11 B question number 12 question number 13 B question number 14 B question number 15 A question number 16 B C D part chapter number 11 sampling technique and sampling distribution population sample sampling designing non probability non-random sampling, probability random sampling, simple random sampling, certified sampling error. Page number 2733. Simple random sampling and sampling distribution. Sampling distribution of statistics, sampling distribution from general population, sampling distribution of the sample mean, properties of sampling distribution of sample mean. Page number 35 to 37. Sampling distribution of sample proportion. Page number 57 to 58. Hypergeometric distribution as sampling distribution. Sampling finite population. Page number 960 to 61. Page number 60 to 61. Classwork. Example number 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.4, 11.5, 11.6, 11.7, 11.11, 11.13. Homework. Exercise 11.1 complete. Exercise 11.2. Question number 3, 4, 5. Exercise 11.4. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 6, question number 7. Chapter number 12. Estimation. Statistical inference, statistical estimation, point estimation of a parameter. Page number 73. Unbiasedness. Page number 74. Best estimator. Interval estimation, confidence interval for population mean. Page number 81 to 83. Any population, known, unknown, and large. Page 86. Confidence interval for population proportion of success. Page number 92, 93. Classwork. Example number 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.7, 12.8, 12.9, 12.10, 12.11, 12.12, 12.13, 12.15. Homework. Exercise 12.1. Question number 4, B part. Question number 5, A 1, 2 part. Exercise 12.2 complete. Exercise 12.3 complete. Chapter number 13. Hypothesis testing. The element of a test of hypothesis, page number 111 to 117, 111 पेज से 117 पेज तक. Testing of hypothesis about a population, पेज नंबर 135 to 136, पेज नंबर 135 से 136 तक. क्लास वर्क एग्जाम्पल नंबर 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.4, 13.5, 13.6, 13.10, 13.12, 13.14, 13.15, 13.18. Homework. Exercise 13.1, complete exercise. Exercise 13.2, complete exercise. Exercise 13.3, complete exercise. Chapter number 14, simple linear regression and correlation. Relation between variables, regression analysis, coefficient, simple linear regression, the simple linear regression model, covariance of two variables, properties of least square line, coding and scaling, page number 181 to 194. Simple linear correlation, page number 199 206. Classwork example number 14.1, 14.2, 14.3, 14.4. Homework exercise 14.1, complete exercise. Exercise 14.2, complete exercise. Chapter number 15, association, multinomial population, attributes, qualitative variable, independence of attributes, association of attributes, correlation of quantitative variable, page number 215 220. Two-dimensional count data, contingency table, rank correlation, page number 236. Classwork example 15.1, 15.2, 15.3, 15.4, 15.5. Homework exercise 15.1, question number 3, question number 4, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8. Exercise 15.3, complete exercise. Chapter number 16, analysis of time series. Time series, histogram, component of time series, analysis of time series, page number 241 to 245. estimation of secular trend, method of semi-average, method of moving average, method of least square, linear trend. Page number 247 to 254. Class work. Example number 16.1, example number 16.3, example number 16.4, example number 16.5, example number 16.6, example number 16.7. Homework. Exercise 16.1. Question number 1, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, question number 9, question number 12, A part 1. Chapter number 17. Chapter number 17. Orientation of computer. Note: objective, subjective and practical types. Question should be given from the written topic.